I'm going to show you how to add a user to your Google Analytics account. Hey, first of all, if you do not yet have a Google Analytics account, check it out right here and you can learn to set up a Google Analytics account for yourself. If you do have a Google Analytics account, head over to analytics.google.com and load your account. You may need to log in with your Gmail or your Google account login. Once you're over there, it'll open to one of your properties. If you don't have a property yet, go back and check out that video to set up an analytics account. If you do have it, you should see something like this on your homepage. Head down to Admin on the bottom left menu, the left menu on the bottom, and that will show you your account. Now, if you have multiple accounts, there's a drop-down list here to show you which accounts you have access to. If you have multiple properties, there's a drop-down list here, and then each property can have multiple views of what you share. Each level has user management on it, so you can click any one of these levels if you want to protect a certain level. And account user management. And I'm going to share this with the Evo Dynamic developer team. So I'm going to add users. You can also add user groups. And I'm going to set developers at evodynamic.com. Check notify by email. That'll send a message to us. And if you want us to edit, collaborate, we don't usually need to manage users on your account, but that'll give us access that we need or your development team needs to set up Google Analytics on your websites or mobile apps. And then just hit add. They're on there, they'll get an email, be notified, so they can access your account. When they get to looking at it, it'll show up right in their drop-down list here, so they can see all the sites that have been shared with them and share your account and help you track your data and improve your presence. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments and we'll address them as soon as we can. Thank you. This is Brian, Lead Ninja at whitegloveninja.com. WordPress done for you.